To fix a canceled Cash App payment for your protection, it is essential to understand why Cash App failed the transaction in the first place. Cash App has a robust security system that flags and cancels suspicious transactions to protect users from potential fraud. When a payment is canceled for your protection, you will receive a notification from Cash App stating the reason for the cancellation. The most common reasons include suspicious account activity, unusual login locations, or transactions that exceed your typical spending patterns. To resolve the issue, start by verifying your account information. Ensure that your name, email, and phone number are up to date and match the information on your government-issued ID. If you have recently changed your phone number or email, update this information in the app to avoid any discrepancies. Next, review your recent transactions to identify any suspicious activity. If you notice any unfamiliar transactions, contact Cash App support immediately to report the issue. They will guide you through the process of securing your account and recovering any lost funds. To prevent future cancellations, it is crucial to monitor your account activity regularly. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email whenever you log in to your account or make a transaction. Additionally, be cautious when making transactions, especially when sending money to new or unverified recipients. Always double-check the recipient's information, including their name, email, and phone number, to ensure you are sending money to the right person. If you are still experiencing issues with canceled payments, contact Cash App support for assistance. They will help you resolve the issue and provide guidance on how to avoid future cancellations. By following these steps and taking proactive measures to secure your account, you can minimize the risk of canceled payments and ensure a seamless transaction experience with Cash App.